Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to remove Safari as the default browser on Mac. So first of all, click on the Apple menu from the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on System Settings to open it. Once the Settings panel opens, on the left side, find Desktop and Dock. Once you find it, click on it to open. Now on the right side, scroll down to the Widget section, and here you will find the default web browser option. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you will see the list of all installed browsers on your Mac. To remove Safari as your default browser, simply select another browser like Google Chrome or any other browser you prefer. Once selected, Safari will no longer be your default browser, and all web links will start opening in the new browser you selected. This can be useful if you prefer another browser for extensions, syncing, or a different browsing experience. And that's it. This is how you can remove Safari as the default browser on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.